So today we'll be discussing the Pythagoras Theorem. So the diagram shows the Pythagoras Theorem formula, and it also shows the triangle. So in this triangle, the A and B are the sides, where C is the hypotenuse. So what is a hypotenuse? So in this diagram, C is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So in a right angle triangle, the longest side of the triangle is always the hypotenuse, which is shown in this diagram too. The hypotenuse is always the opposite side to the right angle too. And the right angle is here in the bottom left of the triangle, and the opposite side is labeled as C. So C is the hypotenuse. So here we have an example. If you know the Pythagoras Theorem formula, you can attempt doing it, but we're going to work through it. So as we know, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And we have the values of the sides of a and b. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. So now all we have to do is substitute a and b into the formula. So we would get 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to c squared. And we expand this, so 9 plus 16 is equal to c squared. Now, we know that 25 will be equal to c squared, but we want to know what c is. Therefore, we'll have to take a square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So we have another example here, and as in the previous example, if you want to try, you can pause the video and try it. But we're going to work through it. So we can use again the same Pythagoras formula, which is a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. But now we have the b, the side, one side, and we have the hypotenuse. So now we have to rearrange the formula in order to find a, which can be written as a squared is equal to c squared minus b squared. Now we have the same process here. We plug in the numbers. So we have a squared is equal to 10 squared minus 8 squared, which is a squared is equal to 100 minus 64. So a squared is equal to 36. As mentioned in the previous example, we don't need to know what a squared is. We need to know what a is equal to. Therefore we will have to square root 36, which is equal to 6. Okay. So now we have some practice. Please pause the video and try to practice these problems, and the answers will be shown very short. And here are the answers, and see what you got correct, and if you didn't, try to look at the previous examples and try to solve them again. Thank you for listening.